Hello health buddies, today I bring to you a much needed recipe to stop coughing at night. Please do not take this as a medical advice. This is just a remedy to manage your dry cough symptoms at night. And the credit of this recipe goes to my mother-in-law, who has shared this and has been using this for years. She learned this recipe from one old lady in her neighborhood who shared the recipe with her. So let's begin. Dry roast cloves. Cloves have antibacterial, antihistamine, antiseptic properties. Grind the cloves to powder when they are still warm and then start sifting. Sifting is really important because we want to remove the grits. Keep sifting and grinding again and again until you receive fine powder. And now how to use this remedy. Take 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well and lick it for at least 10 minutes. Lick it slowly for at least 10 minutes. Since clove is hot, it has burning properties as well. So please lick it slowly for at least 10 minutes. Take this remedy for a week. If you have sore throat or cough, don't drink water with it, and better to take it at night. I reiterate, please do not take this as a medical advice. This is just a remedy to manage your symptoms in these cough corona times or otherwise in normal life as well. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye, take care.